So welcome back everyone to Skipz Trades. We are back again with a new video today, and as you know by the title, today we are gonna discuss the trades that we took last week and the potential trades that might happen next week for us. Okay, so without wasting any more time, let's straightly dive into the video. So the first trade we took on Friday night or Friday evening on New York session was this short right here for 160 pips, which gave us a risk to reward of 5.24. It was an extremely good trade and the executions were super nice on this particular trade, as I would say. So what we did here, how did we find this trade, the logic behind it, I'm gonna explain it all. So for that we switched to the 15 minutes time frame, and as we can see that the market is in a bearish condition. As we can see, the lower lows are being formed and being constantly breaked, which indicates us to that we are in a bearish market structure. So, and then we had this retracement swing. You can consider this as an impulse swing and this as a correction swing, right? So we had this correction swing. I drew fib from the swing low to the swing high, and we got this retracement point and this extreme retracement point, right? So then we broke out of the retracement point, which is the golden ratio as we call on the Fibonacci. We broke it and showed a little bit of buying pressure, but we didn't have enough buying pressure, so we came back down again and created a lower low here, which indicated to me that we are in a very bearish sentimental market. So our initial plan was to short on the breakout of 0.786, but we missed it due to drawing the zones incorrectly. I drawed my level a little below like this, which led me to the confusion that whether I should long or short, and in that confusion we missed this trade on live stream. But after that we got this retracement, right? And I had a high volume level here. This HBL level is one of the levels which I find from my particular strategy or my particular edge, and we had this high volume level here, right? HBL. And when we approached this high volume level, as you can see, this candle rejected from that level and an inverted hammer was formed on this particular level, which gave me all the confirmation that I needed to go short from this point on, right? And then we shorted from this particular level for a total of 160 pips. So this was the trade. I will show you my trading journal too to explain it a bit nicely. And we had this USDJPY trade too, right? Let me just quit it. We had this trade on the USDJPY, which we took stop losses on both of these trades. The logic behind this trade was simple. I had a bias of up for USDJPY on Friday. We broke out of the daily open level, gave a retest, formed a positive candle, which gave me the confirmation to go for a long side. So after that confirmation, I entered on this candle for a total of 560 or 600 points on USDJPY. We hit half of the targets, but I was outside, so I couldn't manage my risk or take this or trail my stop loss to break even. So we got stopped out on this trade again, and then again after some time, when I found this trade again after this bullish candle, I would particularly say this is a morning star pattern, and this was a bullish confirmation that I thought should move the price higher from here, but it came down and took my stop loss again. So we were negative here, right? And then these were the two trades on USDJPY for us on Monday, and in London session we made this trade on GBPJPY for a total of 748 points, which gave us a risk to reward of 5.46. The logic was same. We broke out of this daily open level and retraced back into it, where I found this bullish candle and then entered right off on it with my stop loss below this wick, which gave us a risk to reward of 5.46. And this trade was pretty smooth. It consolidated for around 20-25 minutes and then straightly shot up. In 25, almost 1 hour, we hit our target on this one on the London session. I never usually trade London session, but yeah, this was a very good setup that I found on London session, so I decided to trade it. Okay, so these were the trades of this week, right? For all the assets that I traded. So now let's move on to the plan for GBPJPY on Monday, for Monday. Okay, so as you can see, I have written the conditions here: bullish above this level and bearish below this level. We have two levels, one is 190.060 and another is 188.607. okay, so as the fundamentals suggest, I probably think that the market is gonna move lower from here and break this level on the downside and give us a move downward up to this level right here, which is an unswept low. So I think that probably in this week we are gonna have a bearish momentum on the downside. Whenever a daily candle, we can't directly place our trades on the inside when it is consolidating. Okay, whenever it breaks this level or this level, whichever level, by a daily candle like this, if the one daily candle closes above this like this, or a daily candle closes below this like this, then that will be our confirmation or a bias for the next day. Okay, whether the market is going to be bullish or bearish. So we will be planning our trades accordingly. So this was it for the trades we took and predictions for Monday, because as I said, I only trade gold and USDJPY mostly, so both of them require, both of them don't require any bias to trade for me, particularly because I trade intraday, and intraday you need to capture both moves, right? You can't be focused only on one move, right? Like making a bias and saying I will only capture short or I will only capture longs. So you need to have a free mind and see what the conditions are offering you and plan the trade like that. But yeah, now let's move on to my trading journal, and I will like to show you that way I journaled my trade. Yeah, you can see I have the open date, the pair was gold, the direction was short, the account was in a funded account. Which sessions I trade? It was a New York session. The risk I took on this particular trade was 1.65%. The risk reward was 5.24, and the gross penal, I don't want to talk about it. Okay, the commissions and all of these were the data. As you can see, the confluence were the half of range and rejection and hammer. Okay, the profit loss status was profit and the status was closed by take profit. So I had three confluence. Moreover, I can add trend and other confluence to here because I had a lot of confluence for taking this particular trade. I had a screenshot attached to this, and we have some things written on the downside which I don't really want to show, but yeah, those are entry details, exit details, and my exact analysis. I don't want to exactly show my analysis, but yeah, this was it for our trading journal. And thank you for watching this video. We have crossed 50 subscribers. I'm extremely grateful to every one of you that has subscribed my channel for the past 2-3 months. I will continue to give some valuable insights to you guys on a weekly or maybe even a daily basis if you guys would like to. So again, thank you for watching this video. Our like aim is 10 likes for this particular video and 3 comments maybe. So yeah, let's hope that you guys complete those like and subscribe goals, and I will see you in the next video.